ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಏನು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇದೀಗ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ನಾನು ದಿವ್ಯಾ. ಇದೀಗ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳು.
Today's headlines. St. Aloysius Institute commemorates its 135 years of service. Campus 2015 ends with glorious valedictory. St. Aloysius College encourages physical fitness through annual sports team. Mass Communication Department of St. Aloysius College conducts meaningful sponsors seminar.
With the motto of faith and justice, St. Aloysius Institution celebrates its 135 years in educational service on 12th of January. Campus I brings you more details.
St. Aloysius Institution in Mangalore celebrates its 135 years of Foundation Day. The history can be traced as the quest for the quality Jesuit education.
Today we are celebrating the 135 years of existence of Aloysius College, and it symbolizes something. It symbolizes the foundation of it and helps us to go back to the roots and revitalize our dream, our aim and our vision, especially for the student body to whom we cater here.
Students and lecturers wholeheartedly came together and celebrated Foundation Day. The program involves a holy mass followed by blessings.
Vulnerable, marginalized, those who do not have opportunities that you have by entering into these institutions. And in turn, because you had this light, because you had this revelation, because you were accompanied to build yourselves to whatever you will become.
On this occasion, Dr. Vishant Pinto, a long-serving faculty of the college, shared thoughts on Foundation Day with Campus I.
And as a staff member of this college, as a college which has got a history of 135 years, I'm really proud because this today in this part of the region, this college is one of the well-known colleges. It attracts large number of students. At the same time, it has got large amount of facilities.
Students joyfully expressed happiness about the celebration.
They laid foundation on this day and it's really nice. It's been 135 years and I've always been proud of being a part of Aloysius because the way they've brought us up and studying in a convent college is really amazing. They've given us a lot of facilities and it's an amazing platform to be in this college. I mean, you get a lot of chances to be what you are and what you want to do in your life. So it's good to celebrate this day.
12 colleges across India sweated it out for Campus 2015 Management and Commerce Championship. Let's take a look at who took home the prestigious trophy.
ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೆನರಾ ಪ್ರಥಮ ದರ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಳಿತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ 2015 ವಿಷಯ ಚೇಂಜ್ ರಿಡಿಫೈನ್ ಈ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಡಿ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯ ಶೈಲಿ, ಮಾತುಗಾರಿಕೆಯ ಶೈಲಿ, ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವ ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ.
Commerce and Management Department is organizing CanFest 15 Vivarta Change Redefined. This fest we are organizing from past 23 years. So this year we are stepping into 24th year. In this year we have included major events like Icebreaker, Best Manager, HR, Finance, Quiz, Marketing, Journalist. The major 9 events we have included. Because of this, students are getting more organizing skill and they are getting motivational skill, communication skill. So this fest gives lot of benefit not only to the student, for our teaching faculty also we can improve lot of skills with ourselves.
9 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ತಾಲಾಪ್, ಮಿರರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಎಂಗೇಜ್, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್, ವಿರಾಟ್, ದ ಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗದಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಈ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ 2015 ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳ ದಿನಾಂಕ 12 ಹಾಗೂ 13ರಂದು ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನವರು ತಮ್ಮದಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಎರಡನೆಯ ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ಜೈನ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿತು.
Everything was done so perfectly. We felt really at home, and the rounds were pretty good. The day one was challenging, yeah, and most of us got through. I think most of us got through into the. All of us got through into the top.
During its 135 years of existence, St. Aloysius College has aimed at providing a holistic education to students, which not only involves academics but includes sports and extracurricular activities as well. Let us have a look at the annual sports meet of the institution.
St. Aloysius College conducted its annual athletic sports meet on Tuesday, 20th of January. It began with a march past by 55 teams of students from all departments in the college. The sports meet was declared open by the chief guest, Mr. Archie Menezes.
Was a sir from the Canberra High School who gave me the initial training in athletics, and then our own late Mr. Benjamin D'Souza.
He participated in events like tug of war, javelin throw, 400 meters, triple jump, hammer throw, high jump, relay, discus, and so on. The men's champion was Prithvi Biratkar from 3rd BSc, and Danya from 2nd BSc was declared the women's champion. The overall championship was bagged by 3rd BSc, while 3rd BCA were declared runners-up.
News is not what it used to be a decade ago. With the advent of technology, news has transformed to a new avatar. To discuss this burning issue, St. Aloysius College conducted a 2-day UGC-sponsored national level seminar.
The Mass Communication Department of St. Aloysius College organized the seminar on the theme Changing News Landscapes in India, Prospects and Challenges in association with Radio Sarang on 16th and 17th January. The program was inaugurated by MLA J.R. Lobo, Captain Ganesh Karnik, while the keynote address was given to the gathering by Professor Minal Chatterjee, Director of Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Dangle, on the topic Adopting the Media Landscape.
That very aptly the department of JMC of this college, very prestigious college, has thought of changing news landscapes in India. News landscapes are changing.
Both days saw paper presentations, panel discussion by faculties, research scholars and media professionals across the country.
Manuscripts were used and later the printed form was adopted and later photographs were introduced. Like that we have seen.
If I turn into relevant to the paper population, and next one investigative journalists lose their private life.
Mrs. Uma Vangal, the professor at LV Prasad Film Academy, Chennai, shared her views with Campusite.
The seminar itself is very relevant and something that's very, very crucial right now. That not just the news landscapes but the media scapes themselves are shifting in India. And in that context, to have a national
One of the paper presenters, Mrs. Ruba of the Oxford Institute of Arts, shared her thoughts.
First time at Media London and first time in Bangalore City also. It was really amazing. I came for a presentation. The program was very well organized and the staff and the students were very hospitable. I really enjoyed it. Looking forward to Media Month.
Seminar, the Department of Mass Communication also hosted Media Month 2015, the annual department fest, which included competitions like mime, quiz, live reporting and photography. Several colleges took part in the competition. The overall championship was won by the Albas College, while St. Xavier College of Mapusa, Goa won the runners-up. The program concluded with valedictory function and prize distribution, followed by colorful cultural programs by enthusiastic students.
That's all for this week. We will be back with more campus stories next week. Same channel, same day, same time. This is Divya signing off. Keep watching Campus Eye.